How to turn on two-factor authentication. Are you guys facing issue to enable two-factor authentication on Binance? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To enable two-factor authentication on Binance, first of all open Binance app on your mobile device and log in into your Binance app. Once inside, click on the profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Just simply tap on this menu icon. After you click on menu icon, tap on your profile icon. After you click on profile icon, you can see three options: verification, security, and Twitter. Click on second option, security. In the security option, you will see different 2FA options like Binance Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or SMS Authentication. For stronger security, it's recommended to use the Authenticator app, which is usually located at the second option, Authenticator app. Just simply tap on it. Click Enable beside your preferred option. Binance will show you a QR code. Scan this with your Authenticator app linked to your account. Make sure to also have the backup key in your case you lose your phone. After linking, enter the 6-digit code from your Authenticator app along with the Binance password or email verification code, depending on the setup process. Once confirmed, your two-factor authentication will be activated. From now on, every time you log in, make a withdrawal, Binance will ask for 6-digit code, adding an extra layer of protection to your account. That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna enable 2FA on Binance. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.